Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I think, maybe the day before, I made a video on how to create this shape with really smooth edges. And I was doing it one way and then it just came to me another way, but I'm going to do it the first way I thought of. You know, if you watch the first one, I used a rectangle and then pointed it. Well, why not use a triangle? Then I'm going to flip it. So there's our triangle, and then I'm going to make it 5 inches. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to draw a 5-inch ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Doesn't really help here, but select both and hit T for top. And then you could actually, because we're working with a 2-inch circle or a 5-inch circle, halfway would be 2.5 inches. So take our ellipse and nudge it up. And you're pretty close then. You're not perfect, but don't even bother by doing it this way. I just thought I'd show you another way, the way I kind of think about it, and then just move it up to your lines meet. And we're almost there, and we're there. And, 2 ways you could do it. You could look at the outside. We got that little, and I'm not perfect, but I'm not going to spend any more time with that, because I really started thinking the best way to do it, and this one's perfect. Draw an ellipse. Make it, let's go with 5 inches just so it's fair. P, put it in the center of the page. Bring in an indexing line and hit P. Your 2-line tool will go to a deal called a tangent. So if we start, and you can make it any depth you want. Now, if you look, I'm on the edge and I'm on the tangent. And you could either mirror that, or that was so easy, go edge and tangent. And when I take this away, look at that, perfect corners, no rough edges. It kind of just flows with it around there, and it's perfect. Anyway, hope that helped and gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.